Alright guys, in this video we're going to practice made of and made from. So we're going to choose either or and we're going to write it in the blank space. Now before we start, what is made of? Made of is, think it like this, in this way. If you can still see the material, we use made of. If the material changes, we use made from. So let's write our clues. For made of, we write C, and for made from, it changes. If you can remember these two clues, you should have no problem choosing the correct answer. So let's start with the first one, number one. Let's read the sentence carefully. It says the chair is wood. So we can see the chair and we can see the material. We can still see the material. So for this one, we should pick made of. So the chair is made of wood. Let's move on to number two. Butter is blank space milk. Well, butter is made from because milk changed the material. The original material is milk, so it changed to butter. Now let's do number three. The bridge is blank space steel. The answer for this one would be made of because if you see a bridge, you can literally see the material and you can literally still see steel. Now let's move on to number four. Paper is blank space recycled materials. Well, the recycled materials change to paper, so we cannot see it originally, so this should be made from. So we can go ahead and we can write this answer. Right, let's move on to the next one, number five. It says this necklace is blank space silver. So here we have necklace and the material is silver, so we can see the material, so we choose made from, so we can made of, so we can write this on the line. Number six, beer is blank space barley. Well, the barley changes, the material barley would change to beer, so the correct answer for this one would be made from. Let's move on to the next one, number seven. The window is blank space glass. So the material is glass and the noun here is window, so we can see the material, so this one is supposed to be made of. Right, let's move on to the next one, number eight. It says chocolate, so this is our clue here. Chocolate is blank space cocoa beans. So cocoa beans, it changed to chocolate, so we would choose made from for this one. So chocolate is made from cocoa beans. Number nine. These socks are blank space cotton. So we can see the material cotton. We can see it is cotton. So socks, we pick made of cotton. Alright, let's move on to number 10. The cake is eggs and flour. Well, we cannot see the eggs, we cannot see the flour, it changed, so we say the cake is made from eggs and flour. So made from should be your answer. Next, this bottle is plastic, so we can see the material for this one, so the answer for number 11 is supposed to be made of. We can still see the material in this sentence. Next up we have tofu. Number 12 is blank space soybeans. So soybeans change to tofu, so the answer for this one would be made from. Very good. Let's move on to the next one, number 13. We have the fence is metal. Well, basically we can see the material on the fence, so we can choose, and we should choose made of for number 13. All right, let's move on to number 14, we have yogurt is milk. So actually the milk changed to yogurt. We cannot see the original material. So we choose made from, and we can go ahead and nicely write it on the line. So yogurt is made from milk. The next one, number 15, we have this bag is leather. So I can touch the material and I can feel it and I can see it. So the bag is made of leather. Let's move on to number 16. We have sugar is blank space sugar cane. Oh, this one is a little tricky. Number 16 is a little tricky. Sugar cane and sugar. Well, actually, the sugar cane is a plant. You have to be very careful. So sugar change. We cannot originally see the plant. So we have to choose for this one made from, and we can carefully read the sentence. Sugar is made from sugar cane. All right, number 17 now. It says the bowl is blank space ceramic. So once you can feel and you can see the material, so here ceramic and bowl, you can see it, so we can choose made of for this one. And now let's do number 18. Ice cream is blank space cream. So cream, we can use cream to do many foods. So literally cream changes and we made ice cream with it. So for number 18, we have to choose made from. So we can go ahead and write it down over here, made from. Right, let's go to number 19. The desk is blank space bamboo. Alright, so we can literally feel it, we can see the material on the desk, and we can even touch it. So we have to choose for this one made of. So we can nicely read the sentence now. The desk is made of bamboo. And for number 20, we have wine is and grapes. So literally we cannot see the grapes. So the grapes change to wine. So we have to choose made from for this sentence. And now we can read the sentence. Wine is made from grapes. Alright guys, now with this practice, I hope you can see the difference of made of or made from. Thank you for watching. We'll see each other in the next English practice.